Hi everybody. Today I want to show you this light that I just got. It's the UFO light and it's from Lumary and it comes in this box and it's right there. It's pretty cool because it is LEDs and it comes with a remote control, but you can also control it from your cell phone, from Alexa, and it's dimmable. You can select it from all the way to yellow and to a blue color, and it has a range. And something that is really cool that I found out while I was playing with it is that I can program it to turn on at a certain intensity and a certain color. Then a few hours later, if I want to change it, I'll program it so that it changes that intensity, or maybe more yellow, more blue, more white. And then at a different time during the day, it can also change to, again, a different intensity and different color, and then at night to turn off. So you can program it to have different intensities, different colors, different patterns. So I'm going to show you what it looks like. So this is the light. Again, it's LED and it comes like this. That's why they call it like a UFO light. It's fairly heavy. It's about 15 to 20 pounds. So I actually went and got a hook for the ceiling, but it comes with your own hook. So you can attach it right here on the top and it's very easy. You just turn it. Now, once you have it, you can either use a remote control or you can buy a hub that comes in this container right here, right there. And that's how you control it from your cell phone. And for that, you use this adapter that comes with it, and comes with a screw here that you can take it off, and then you just screw this right here. And then with the hub, then it controls this, which then it controls the lamp. Now, I have the hub right there, and I'm going to use this lamp to be on top of my fish tank. It's not filled yet. I'm still preparing it, but you can use it anywhere, just as a lighting for your room, in the ceiling, on a hook somewhere. It doesn't matter. You can use it anywhere you want. So right now I'm going to show you how I'm installing it in here, and then I'm going to show you how it works. One of the first things you want to do is to download the Lumary app, and then once you do that, you want to set it up, like all of that, and then you want to be able to download and connect the hub. And then once you do that, you want to download and connect the lamp itself through Bluetooth. Now here we go. This is what it looks like. You can select again here the intensity. As you see, is turning 100%. I can put it down at 10%, 1%, anything like that. You can go from blue, do it like that so you can see, blue to yellow, and you can select a pre-pattern of lights that you want to have, and you can add your own if you like, and then you can turn it off or on. Now again, if you want if you want to set it up for timers, like I mentioned before, here you can select I have it set up so it will turn on at 9, and it will turn on at about 50% brightness. Then at 12 it's going to turn on to 100% brightness, yellowish color. Then at 6 it's going to go down back to 5. It's going to go back down to 50%, and then at 9:30 p.m. is going to turn off. Again, I have it that way because I'm going to put them on top of a fish tank, but again, if you want to put them anywhere you want, you can control whatever you want. And also then you can control it with Alexa. And for example, I will tell her, Alexa, turn off the light. There we go. And then Alexa, turn on the light. And because Alexa is only controlling this, I don't have to say anything else. If I have other lights that are controlled by Alexa, I would say, for example, Alexa, turn off the fish tank light. Right now it's not going to do it because it doesn't know. But again, if I were to program it, the fish light, then it would do it. Again, I'm really happy. It looks really cool. And I used a rope to hang it because that's my style, and you can hang it directly into a hook on the ceiling or use any other method you want. It's pretty cool. It works really well. And also the good thing is that it's not hot. It's a little bit hot, but look, I'm touching it. I'm not burning like any other light bulb. Again, so it's not, even though there is a little bit of warmth, it is not going to burn my plants or give you too much heat to the house. I hope that you guys find it as attractive, as unique, and as useful as I am.